Good morning, students. I'm Pragati, your psychology teacher, and today I'm starting the seventh part of self and personality. In this video, we are going to start about the most important Sigmund Freud theory, that is psychosexual theory. This is the very important theory because it has been explaining us about the theory of development, how the stages has been developed, how in which stage what kind of development took place, and what does that development affect our character. Okay, what how do it affect our personality, and what kind of negative points has been seen during this development take place, any negative aspect has been taken place. Okay, so let's start with the theory. Sigmund Freud has given this theory. In this, he have explained the five stages of the development, and this is also known as five-stage theory. It is also known as five-stage theory. So whether they've been asking you a question that explain five stage of theory, explain Sigmund Freud theory, explain the theory of development, or explain the psychosexual theory, then you have to answer in this theory. Okay, you have to answer this, and you have to make a flow chart as I have made it on the table, on the board. Okay, so in the first stage, it is known to the oral stage. Oral stage is something which is related to our mouth. When a child is getting a pleasure through his mouth, that is known as oral stage. It is the very first stage of the birth. It is from birth to 1 year. That infant child is known as in this stage. This is the oral stage. Okay, I just explained you everything, that there are the stages. This is the age time, from which year to which year the stage has been taken place. Now, focus of libido. Libido is pleasure feeling. Okay, when a child is being getting pleasure to do that activity. Okay, and then it's come to development. Development means what kind of development has been taken place, what kind of progress or positive has been developed in a human character. And then the adult fixation. Here two terms are there, fixation and regression. Regression, in which there will be a positive height, but fixation is a point where a person stays still in that particular stage for a longer period of time, and that has been seen in the adult fixation. Adult fixation is mostly negative in all the aspects. Okay, when something has been during that development period, some negative points has been developed, and the stage or the development has been fixed in that particular time period, then that kind of behavior which form in adulthood has been seen with a negative aspect. Okay, with the negative reactions of the behavior. Okay, so let's start with the first stage. The first stage is oral stage. As I told, oral stage is related to the pleasure feeling of mouth. When a child comes in the world, when he took the birth, in that stage he do what the main focus of his life is to feed his stomach, and for feeding, the most important aspect for him is the mother feeding. Okay, the breastfeeding which he has been getting, that is the most pleasurable feeling for a child in this age. So he always go to feed himself or herself for the feeding. He use the mouth, and through breastfeeding he get that pleasure. So this is the pleasure feeling which is from the age period of birth to 1 year. Okay, in this stage the mouth is being the libido, because it is been giving him that pleasure feeling. And what is being developing? The feeding habit is been developing in the child. Means he has been getting a pleasure and feeding habit. He has been able to fill his hunger and fill his stomach from whenever he or she is hungry. Okay, so in this, as the stage being written, if the development has been taken place properly as it has been told, then it is good. Then it comes to another stage, to move to the other stage very positively. But everything have with a but if this feeling has been not satisfied, if the mouth feeding is been not satisfied, if the child is not getting this pleasure feeling which has been mandatory for a child, then what does happen? It moves to nail biting or smoking in his adulthood. Means when that kind of child who is not getting a pleasure feeling from his mother's feeding, breastfeeding, or not getting that proper feeding from the mother, then when he get in an adulthood, then we've been seeing that he's been facing the problem as such as smoking or nail biting, because that thing is giving him feeding in his adulthood. Now in adulthood he cannot feed himself with the milk or something as a, so for getting that mouth feeling, for pleasure of mouth, how do we get, or she get it from smoking or nail biting. Okay, the individual will get the pleasure from smoking or nail biting in during the adulthood. Okay, so this is the characteristic, a negative character which develop due to the effect in the earlier stage. The oral stage, the effect has been seen, and then the negative character develop if there is fixation during this development period. Okay, next it comes to the anal stage. It is the other stage which start from 1 year and moves towards 3 years. 1 to 3 year time age is there. In during this age, the libido is the anus. Okay, the anus is a feeling, to have a feeling through which he has been getting pleasure feeling. Now in this, the pleasure is being felt by how? When a child is being stopping his urine and for a long time, and when he release that urine, he get the pleasure feeling. Okay, he or she get the pleasure feeling, and that is known as toilet training. We've been teaching the child, we've been seeing when a child who is 2 years or 3 in the age of 2 or 3 years, he is being taught to tell their parents or the one who is elder to him or her, to demand for the toilet. Whenever he or she want to go toilet, he have to say, may I go to toilet, or I want to go to toilet, to his mother or father or any family members. Hai na? So that is the time period when we've been teaching the child to tell that, to demand that we should do the toilet training. If we, in this we've been not motivating a child for the toilet training, or we've been not teaching him or her the toilet training habits, then it affects in an adulthood as an unorganized and untidy child. Means here we have been not motivating him. The distress, unmotivation, or some of the other effect which we have been giving to a child in this, then what things will be seen? Untidiness and unorganized kind of person in his adulthood, because he has been not getting the proper way of commanding how to settle in the particular time period. Okay, in this time period, in this 2 years, if a child is not getting a proper toilet training, then he is being fixed with the period of untidiness and unorganized during his adulthood. Okay, understood? The third stage is most important stage in an human being's life, because till this age, till 1 year, 2 year, a child doesn't know that he is a male or a female, is not aware about his sexuality. Okay, but during the phallic stage, which is coming from 3 years to 6 years, a child get to know that in which sex do I belong. I belong to male or I belong to female. We've been seeing some of the habits of parents also, or even the child, during 2 or 3 years of age, they used to play with every kind of toy. Whatever toy you do, give, whatever clothes you allow him to wear or her, they wear that kind of clothes during mainly 3 years of age, 2, 3, 4 years. Some of the mothers used to do that, they a boy child, and they put the frocks on them, and just for a fun, है ना? So at that age of time, they don't know that they belongs to which sex, male or a female. Okay, sexuality is not aware in this stage, but during the phallic age, they get to know about their sexuality. So the belonging of focus is on genital age. It is belonging to the genital age. In this age, a child is very well aware about his sexuality. You know that I am a boy and I have to go with these kind of toys. I have to wear pant shirt or trousers or something related to t-shirts, and girls know how to dress up in an other form. Okay, the development is over, the focusing on genital time, and here are the two complexes which is being also described, and will ask to you that what do you mean by Oedipus or Electra complex. There are the two development complex, Oedipus and Electra. Oedipus complex is related to a boy and Electra is related to a girl. Here under the Oedipus complex there is a story. There is a story under the Oedipus complex. In this, what happens, once upon a time there was a boy, he was a king. Okay, he was a prince of a king, and he was very good and loving child, okay, of everyone. But during the time period when he comes to 3 to 6 years, he gets jealous of his father. Why he was getting jealous of his father? Because he has been focusing on a mother, and mother is not focusing on him, rather showing interest towards his father. Seeing this thing, he developed a feeling of jealousy with his father, because the pleasure or the feelings which his mother is giving to him, the time, he is not getting that time due to his father. This kind of thinking has been developed in a boy during the phallic stage, and due to that, to make her mother what he did, he killed his father. He killed his father due to jealousy, and want that my mother should pay attention to me. Okay, for this he have done such kind of activity, and the Oedipus complex, his name was, that prince name was Oedipus, and from there the theory has been given a name, is known as Oedipus complex. In this, a boy get jealous towards the father, and a girl get jealous towards the mother, because simultaneously, vice versa, it also develop in girls at a point where a girl gets starting feeling jealous towards mother, because his father is not giving particular kind of attention which she want from her father. But if the development take place properly in this stage, in this 3rd to 6th year of age, then after 6 year, when they comes to this age, in the latent stage of 6 year, they start making their father as a friend and as a role model. The boys start making their father as a role model and want to be like them, as in powerful like them, so that everybody like them as mother is liking his father simultaneously. So the feeling of jealousy doesn't develop, okay, at that point. But if the fixation took place in this, like as Oedipus formed a fixation, then what kind of thing we have been seeing? It is inadequacy and envy feeling. It is means, what does this feelings means? A jealousy kind of feeling, or aggressive, okay, aggressiveness or jealousy or inarrogancy, inarrogant, arrogant behavior, or we say such kind of behaviors or personality develop in adulthood. Okay, so the such kind of characters or traits can be seen: aggressiveness, jealousy, and the arrogant behavior. All that kind of behavior is been seen during the fixation or during the adulthood due to fixation, if it's come in Oedipus or Electra complex. Understood? Now come to latent. Latent is a time period when it is 6 to 12 years, mostly during the early teens or late childhood. The time period has been developed, and in this there is no focus on the libido. Why do there is a no focus on the pleasure feelings? Because a child is well aware about the society, about the socialization. We've been seeing that a child always make friends during this age period, 6 to 12 year. तभी भी नर्सरी केजी के बच्चों को देखना या केजी फर्स्ट ईयर के बच्चों, फर्स्ट क्लास के बच्चों को, दे यूज टू डू वन काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी इज दैट ये मेरा दोस्त है, ये तेरा दोस्त है, this is my circle, we are the 4-5 good friends. They've been making the friends, and they used to make it more bigger. If there are 2 students and there are 4 students, they used to make more, so that their friend group look more prettier. So the socialization is very high during this age, the latent age. Socialization or socialization is very high in a child. So the pleasure feelings have been not considerable. They have been not focusing on their physical structure, rather they are focusing on the social structure. So during this age only most of the habits have been developed. During this age only a child learns all the positive behavior, moral values, and maximum number of moral values has been learned in this stage, because they've been getting socialized. So their circle should be very well understandable during the teenage or late childhood age. Okay, so due to this, as they are well aware about the socialization, there is no kind of fixation. So fixation is also been not considered in this. There will no fixation occurs during this age, during this stage, that is latency. Okay, now the last stage that comes to is genital stage. Genital stage is related to 12 year or plus. There is a start age time period that is 12 but no end. Okay, it could be till 20, 30. There is no end, means 12 plus all our genitals are on genital stage. This is also related to genitals. Focus is of libido. The pleasure feeling is over genitals, means over their sexual development, over their genes. Here the sexual maturity take place. The development is under sexual maturity, means the physical maturity has been taken place during this age. Girls get their physical structure has been differentiated, all the menstruation cycle, everything has been developed. Boys get their differences as the hair grows, throat, voice changes, everything has been considered in sexual maturity. So they've been getting the differentiation of maturity levels, and in this the genital libido pressure is over genitals. So sexuality is being considered under the genital stage, which is the last stage, and due to this here the fixation is in a positive sense. As all the stage took place properly and they comes towards the genital stage, and their sexual maturity has been also taking place in a proper way, means their physical development has been taking very good form, in a biological development has been taking in a good form, then they get a mentally healthy child or a mentally healthy human being. They become a very mentally healthy human being. And if there is some problem with the sexual maturity, they are not getting their physical structure as they've been thinking about themselves, or some or other form of problems forms, or some kind of we can say insecurity is being formed, or any kind of abuse has been occurred, then they affect over the mental health and the relationships. If there is everything is proper, development has been taking place properly, then the relationships are very good. They've been understandable. They are going to have a good relation with the opposite sex. They would be having a good understanding with the opposite sex. But if it's not, then there will be a disaster occurring in the relationship. So it is something which is very important during the age and development, which was explained by Sigmund Freud, and which is the base of psychology, personality development of a individual human being. So there are 5 stages: oral, anal, phallic, latency and genital stage. There is a time period: oral from birth to 1 year, anal 1 to 3 years, phallic 3 to 6 years, latency 6 to 12 years, genital 12 plus. There is a focus on libido. The pleasure feeling is in oral, mouth, anal, anus, AA. You can learn like this. Phallic, genital, latency none, no pleasure feeling. Genital is genitals. Okay, on the genes. Then the development is been taking oral feeding. In anal we been learning toilet training. In phallic, Oedipus and Electra complex. Genital socialism. Latency socialism, genital sexual maturity. So, and here the fixations which been up. This way the main theory of psychosexual has been described by Sigmund Freud. To go through all these theories, first we have done about the conscious, unconscious and subconscious and unconscious. We have studied by id, ego, superego, and today we have studied the 5 stages of theory of development by Sigmund Freud. All these 3 have been given by Sigmund Freud. That's why he has a big contribution in psychology and known as a father of psychology. Okay, so just go through the chapter and make a chart just like this. I'll take the screenshot of the page and make a chart on this, and then also make the notes according to this. Okay, I will definitely send you the further notes also, and I hope you have completed your notes which I have sent you in your groups. And if you have any problem, just WhatsApp me or comment under the video after finishing. Thank you. Take care.